Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's session, we'll see very useful prompts for any programmers. So today I'm going to discuss you about mainly 5 prompts. The first one, how to get the code for the given task. And the second one, how can we refactor the code with a simplified manner. And the third, how to convert the code from one language to another language. And next, how can we understand that code? That means explanation of that code. And finally, the last and important thing is the optimization of code. So in all these 5 criteria, I'm going to give the prompts. So without delay, let us start. Yes. So let us check with a one program. So if you want to know a program, for example, uh, like a Fibonacci series, okay. So give the clear and concise prompt, right? See, I'm giving here, write a function to generate Fibonacci series or Fibonacci sequence, anything, sequence for 10 terms, okay, for n terms in, here only you can write it, recursive function, write a recursive function. So also you can mention the language. So here we got a program in Python, right? So this is the first prompt. That means we need to give our requirement in a perfect manner. So I want to generate a Fibonacci sequence for n terms, that too using a recursive function. So I am getting this code. So if the code is more complex, so this is a very simple thing, but if you feel that code is a very complex, then you can reassign the code. That means refactor the code. So you can use the prompt like refactor the code. Refactoring means just rewrite the code. Okay. Refactor the following code or the above code to make it more readable and efficient. So we are telling that we are expecting the program in a simplified manner but in an efficient manner. So refactor the above code to make it more readable and efficient. So you can click so that we'll be getting the code, the changed code. See, this is one more code. So if you feel this code is somewhat complex, obviously you can go with this code. Okay. If you feel this is also a complex, again you can refactor the code. And now we need an explanation for this code because I got this code, but I'm unable to understand this code. I need an explanation. So I'll be using the prompt like explain what this code does and identify any bugs. Bugs means some errors. Okay. So automatically we'll be getting the code explanation. So you can see breakdown. So explanation is here. The clear cut explanation. Okay. Input validation, edge case and everything. See, this is the output we will be getting. So the clear cut explanation. If you feel that program is error free, you can give a prompt. So explain this code line by line. So obviously we'll be getting a line by line explanation. So this is a full code. So after this code, see, line by line explanation will be there. So which will be giving you a much more simplified manner. Okay. Now if you want to convert the code of one language, for example, here we got a code in Python. If I want to convert that code in Java, so you can use a prompt like convert this Python code to Java code. So whatever the Fibonacci series or Fibonacci sequence for n terms in Python code will be generated into Java code. So obviously we'll be getting Java program. Okay. Here also we can give a refactoring. That means rewriting the code with a simple manner and explaining the code line by line, etc. And the last one is most important, that's the optimization. So obviously we have to write the code in an optimized manner. So you can directly use a prompt to give the code in an optimized manner. So use a code suggest optimization for the above code. So after optimization we'll be getting the complete code. See here your Java implementation of the recursive Fibonacci with memoization is already optimized compared to naive word recursion. So it was already optimized, right? So if not, definitely we'll be getting the optimized code. See, lot of things we are getting, and summary also we are getting. What's the time complexity? What's the space complexity? Okay, so everything we got. Comparison, also comparison we are getting. So these are the 5 prompts. So writing the code, explaining the code, refactoring the code, code conversion, and code optimization. So these 5 prompts will be useful for any programmers. So just remember the prompts, and I will write the prompts in the description box so you can use those prompts. Right? Yes. So let us stop here. And if you really enjoyed my session, like my session, share my session with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.